much room to do that.
How do you want to do it?
But we're going to have to. So as you pick it up, I'm going to have to, walk it up. Oh, maybe not.
This ain't working.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself. It's not worth that.
Scoot it all the way to you, right here.
Why don't you tip back toward you and I'll take
but
the
I
bottom.
can't right now because
Gotcha.
you're trying to push me off the wall. And then we'll set it in and slide it over. This ain't gonna work either, man.
I just got to pick it up over this ledge and walk it.
Yeah, but I can't get that far enough.
I'm not going to push you back any farther.
Okay.
Yep. Yep. Okay.
What's going on?
I gotta be right here.
Watch the front and those tabs.
The nubs.
Yep.
Man, I have like nothing to grab hold of.
I believe you.
They should put the handles on the side instead of the door.
You just let me know and.
Well, I'm hoping I can help you out here. Go ahead. I'm laying it down. Can you push when I lift? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Slip on my hand. Okay, push it up. Oh.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm almost there. I've got my hands on it now where I was having a heck of a time before.
Your way just a little bit more and we'll set it up. I'll set it up. Your way.
Okay.
It is in the house.
Yes.